that you have any. You know, I could tell the
Okay,
difference.
this audio is coming through from the DStar side. Now this is the FM side.
Don't forget, I'm running 4 computers, so you're going through multiple nodes. Then I'm connected with another bridge.
That's EchoLink.
Which is coming in. Get IRLP.
That's DStar.
And the wires and all of that stuff. So, and that's what it's here for. You know, that's what I do.
It's DStar.
And I try to make it, you know, fun. Back to you, Daryl, and the group.
And that's EchoLink.
Yeah, I like the way that
that's through the EchoLink side.
It was self-firing that time, and it sounded really
This is the DStar side.
I think on the mic,
back to FM.
You're a little too close to the mic, but after that, you're just perfect distance from the mic. Anyway, Daryl, back to you. WH6DWF.
This is back to FM again. Now you guys go ahead and go back and forth with some audio. I'm doing this video here for a comparison. I'm going to post it right after I'm done with it. So back to you guys.
Daryl, yeah, you sounded like you weren't even on your HT that time. It would sound like it was just you're in the background. Yeah, much different than audio. See, I'm getting ready to put up my DStar repeater right now, so when I have that all set up, I'll be able to do the same thing. From what I understand. I'll be able to connect up over here on the Starlink system, or if you drop in, thing you're doing. So I'm really looking forward to that, Daryl. WH6DWF. DWF.
Yeah, QSL KB9 or KB2HZE. You go ahead with some audio there. I'm switching back and forth as you guys are transmitting, and I'm recording at the same time. This is VO1UKZ.
KB2HZE Friday, and I really appreciate it. And you know, like I says, my system is no better than anyone else's system out here. It's just that I try to provide a lot of fun and a lot of different ways for you to get in. Also, the HF remote base is active, and because I have to put you in an admin list. No one can just come on and type commands and everything. Once I put you in the list, you'll have full control.
As you can see, I'm still doing a demonstration. Switching back and forth, same signal from DStar to EchoLink.
But unfortunately, a hamstick mounted to 6 stories of fire escape, so that's why the signal is so good. I just went around on 10 a little while ago, and it's a little quiet right now, but we'll do another video and implementation of the day. But it is active right on 240 sideband. Speed is, being that I'm only a Technician Plus, they took the plus away, so that's the way you'll be able to do it. Once I get my general, where we have the nighttime bands, 20 bands, 20, 40, and all of that, you'll really fascinating.
So you can really tell the difference between the audio on DStar and EchoLink with this video here. This is DStar, obviously. I've got the volume levels. I tried to set exactly the same.
This is one comparison. I'm going to come in on IRLP now, and we'll make this a multi-mode, multi-cross connection. This is great. Everyone, please, like I said, if you want to connect to my link, that's DX Link on the conferences, 356937, also 41603 All-Star, also XRF 727 Alpha DStar, on IRLP 0056 and 0059. And let's keep it going around. Someone else pick it up, and then the next time I come in, I'll be on IRLP. Now and get into the over. KB2HZE, yes, you would be able to if if the propagation is right, you'd be able to. I have a couple of local stations. I can actually call them on the phone and actually give you a comparison. What happens is when you're running the remote base, I can't have the squelch open. So, in other words, if your signal isn't like at least 5.9 or at least 5E, if your signal's at 5E, you're not going to be able to key up, and it won't pass through. Like I said, it's because of the squelch. I haven't, reconfigured it yet because I'm going to have it where you can actually use Skype for your audio.
All right, that's going to be about it for the DStar to EchoLink comparison there. If you do want to check out the DX-Link group, you can check them out by connecting to DX-Link on EchoLink, XRF 727 on the DStar side, 727 Alpha, and there's a few more that were mentioned in the video as well. Thanks to everybody who watched this audio comparison between the DStar and EchoLink FM side. Have a good day. This is VO1UKZ here in St. John's, Newfoundland.